said we were on my Hi! Well, I think we're afternoon, aren't we? Afternoon, everyone. We are in Southampton in an industrial site. IKEA is over there. So everyone knows where IKEA is, so we're just opposite in West Quay. And we are outside Engine Rooms, which is a music venue. It would seem strange to want to do a paranormal investigation at a music venue, but it's what has been summoned up years ago that I'm interested in. Years ago, a seance was held here. For what reason, I don't know. We're going to find out from Nathan, the events manager, when he turns up, but we are early. I've got so many words through on this hexagon just standing outside the front door. I mean, I don't know if you can you see that on there?
Yeah.
See the words all right? So this site visit could be quite interesting. I can't wait to look inside. I think it could be quite big in there, probably go back quite a way. So we'll see what we get when we go in, but it'll be very interesting. So yes, we'll wait for Nathan and yeah, keep watching.
How do you feel up there? So,
Whoa!
Really? Chills.
I am off kilter then.
Yeah. Legs ache as well.
Yeah.
Sure, something's coming up through the floor.
Absolutely. That's what we must have felt that together, because I'm doing that.
Chills.
It's
Really
horrible.
chilly.
You obviously want to talk to us, so thank you. When you go off kilter, it's where spirits do want to talk to you.
right, okay.
I think we need to get that going.
Yeah.
Put that over there somewhere and zoom in and out. Hi Spirit, are you here?
This is where Paul said he heard the
Yeah, it's come off.
footsteps.
Hello, are you in here? Do you run up and down these stairs? I think you do, don't you? Causing mischief.
All sorts of funny noises. Very odd building, isn't it? Very strange
There's
atmosphere.
something very
Very
strange
odd.
going on, isn't it?
It is really peculiar.
What have I forgotten?
The comment.
I just said that comment.
Yeah, at the right at the end, like, subscribe.
Stop, Myron, stop.
And then.
If you like and subscribe, please comment and click the bell icon to be notified of any uploads.
There we go.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to come here. We're opening up a new venue too, right in town. So we're going to get exclusive access to that as well. So keep watching.